They moved out. Left all this weird stuff. So much to do. Quinn's room needs a ton of work. Carpet, wallpaper off. Oh my god. Charlotte, the same. Carpet out of here immediately. Wall closet. So we're gonna put the TV on this wall, and then this is gonna be where Quinn's play area is, but her kitchen, and have all this painted nicely. And all this needs to be painted. I'm gonna do wood floors down here, fake wood floors. Everything in there is fine for now. A mudroom. This is great for the dogs. Oh my god, they cleaned it out. Unbelievable. Wait, what is that? Did they leave this? Was this here before? Huh. That's cool. Storage racks. Clothes storage. I think Vanna's gonna take this closet out of here and make this another room. Little fridge. Some disgusting old Slurpee in it. Gross. Oh, so much to do. That bookcase is cool. Ta-da! That is why we bought this house. There's our neighbors right there. I love that stove. That is so cute. I wonder if it works well. They said they haven't really used it ever. It's really cute though. Do you like it, Shine? You want to have a fire? A fire for Christmas? The stairs are so shallow. These striker stairs. I love this area here. It's so nice for backpacks. Coat closet, vacuum closet. Awesome. This is pantry, I think. Yep. Pantry. These nice. These work. Very nice. Wipe down. These are perfect. This is like a warming drawer, or I have to look up what this is. I don't know what it is. Oh, sheet trays and baking stuff. Awesome. That's nice. Spices. So nice. It smells good also. Nice wood. I've never looked at all these before. are really nice cabinets. I love them. Wow, look at this. Wow, a little spice rack. Isn't that cool? Cute. When you're cooking here. Look, plugs for the coffee maker and toaster. Whoop, there's a little TV jack right there. The shelf paper's pretty nice. Just gonna clean it. It's the grippy kind. Just gonna clean it out. Utensil drawer. Pans, I guess. Silverware. This will be interesting. You ready for this? Oh, he cleaned it out. Amazing. So it's an old KitchenAid fridge. I don't. Ice maker works. Works. Alright, so that's where we are on, what day is it? Wednesday, November 11th. Hi guys. A baby rake? Yes. You're already starting getting to work? She's got a new little kitchen they left her.
She was just making pizza.
Making pizza? Look at you got a pizza pan. Cute, Quinny. You got some red sleds. And Quinn got a little snowboard. And then, I don't know what this is. Maybe Ganem can use it for tools. I don't know. It's an old hutch. But I don't know where the drawers are. It's kind of cool, but... What have you got? That's a perfect rake for you. Nice. Eggs. Eggs for everyone.
Daddy.
Late night egg gathering. We forgot. So Quinn, this is her job. She takes the eggs from the basket and she puts them in the egg saver, and then we put them back in the fridge. Very good. And Char's waiting for her ice cream. Char had eggs for dinner too.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Back in the fridge. Wow, look at that fridge. You're too little. You have your jobs. I'll do the tall jobs.